Hello everyone, Simon this side. Today we are going to talk about how to export fish from India. So it comes under chapter 3 in HS code, and whenever you want to start your fish export, you should know which type of fish you are going to export. Either it could be your fresh fish, or your frozen fish, or you want to export dry fish from India. It has various type fish like tuna, croaker, the frozen pan ready croaker, tiger tooth croaker, kathi, which called is also hilsa, pomfret. It has two type like silver pomfret or black pomfret, snapper, mackerel, red snapper, white snapper, sole reef coat, sole fish, reef coat, a bream, a ribbon fish are there. So these are the some varieties that you can export from India. Apart from that, whenever you're going to start your fish export, you should know what are the major documents required and what are the difficulties you are going to face while while exporting the fish. Now, it includes various certificate while handling the while exporting the fish. Reason being, it should be a toxic free, right? The first point. Second thing is you should give a special attention on labeling and packaging. This is the very important criteria. Apart from that, whenever you want to export fish, then it should be like you are having good hygienic practice while handling and transportation fish. So this is the mandatory thing. After that, you should know what are the uses or applications of fish, right? Then the fish we are going to use for human consumption, for animal feed, industrial use, biochemical products, pharmaceutical products, and fish oil. So once you know why these applications of fish, it will be going to easy for you to finding the buyers accordingly this industry and everything. So you should know what are the applications of fish. Apart from that, there are so many fishing harbors from India, right? So you should know the which are the major state who is who's catching fish and exporting the fish. The first state is like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal. These are the major states who exporting who catch the fishes and exporting fish. So you should know the which are the exactly places from these states. So if you want to know about that, you just search like fishing harbors of India. You will definitely get a one several list of from several websites. If you're not able to find any list, just drop me a message on my WhatsApp number, which is given in on description. So I'll send you that list where you actually going to buy the fishes and all. Apart from that, it comes under Mopeda, like similar to Apeda. Apeda is for agriculture product, and Mopeda is like for marine products and all. So they cost 5,000 rupees for registration fees. Apart from that, how Mopeda is going to help the exporter, new exporter or the existing exporter? They help you out in participating in international fairs, like they conduct a buyer seller meets, they arrange international delegations and all. Apart from that, the question should be raised like what are the show organized by Mapeda? The first show is Aquarina India, and if you're talking about internationally, Indian International Seafood Show. So India produced like Indian Seafood Expo.com. So these are the website you can go through with it and what exactly how they are going to help you out. If you're talking about Apeda going to help you out in on a technical basis, technology and everything. They are providing financial assistance and everything. But in Mapeda, the NFDB, state governments and BFDS, FFDS are providing a certain type of technologies and financial assistance program. And make sure that like Mapeda will not provide assistance of these kind of services, right? Whenever you want to start your fish export, you should know the difficulties, right? If you want to start to export fish to Japan, then it's limited growth are there. Reason being, they are asking for additional inspection certificates and all the requirements. So sometimes it's too tough to enter into Japan market for a newcomers. Second thing is European export, like European Union. If you want to export to European Union, then they also ask for extra several testing, for antibiotic certificate and everything. So sometimes it's quite tough to providing all the information whenever you are totally new into this. Apart from that, USA is a huge importer from for fish, but similarly like the last 2 3 years back, US also banned uh, shrimp from India, the wild shrimp, and India is explaining to them that these are the not for limited species and everything, and it is not for danger purpose and all. China, they are also asking for strictly inspection and everything. So you should know what is the difficulties to that particular country while exporting fishes from India. Now, where India export fish, like US is the huge market. UAE, China, Netherlands, Hong Kong, Belgium, Singapore, Nepal, Germany, Italy, Saudi Arabia. These are some countries who import fish from India. So you can easily get a buyers from there. I make some slides so we couldn't skip anything. Then what are the documents required whenever you want to export fish from India? The first document which is mandatory is IC, your export import code. Secondly, your company should register into Director General of Foreign Trade. Third, shipping bill. Fourth, your bill of export, business identification number from the custom, and bill of lading, export general manifest, commercial invoice, packing list are there, certificate origin which is provided by your Mopeda, health certificate from export inspection agencies. After that, your CAT certificates from Mopeda, registration of membership, you should get a RCMC of Mopeda, and a certificate of incorporation of business. Whenever you want to export, so these are the documents which is mandatory. If you want to start your fish export from India, or you want to learn any kind of export import business, you just my number is on description. Just give me a call so we can discuss more. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Thank you.